Want to dominate Brawlhalla with your friends from the comfort of your couch on the Nintendo Switch? Let's get right into it. First, boot up Brawlhalla on your Nintendo Switch. Make sure everyone who's playing is ready to join in. From the main menu, navigate to and select Local Play. This is where the magic happens for in-person multiplayer. Now, each player needs to press a button on their controller to join the game. You'll see their character appear on the selection screen as they connect. Next, choose your preferred game mode. Friendly to V2 is a classic, but feel free to experiment with Free-for-All or Brawl Ball for some extra chaos. After selecting your game mode, it's time to pick your battleground. Browse through the available stages and vote for your favorite. Now for the most important part, character selection. Each player chooses their legend. Coordinate with your teammates for maximum synergy, or just pick whoever looks coolest. And that's it. You're all set to brawl with your friends on Brawlhalla for the Nintendo Switch. Have fun and may the best legend win. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Brawlhalla tips and tricks. See you in Valhalla.